That shit was sick as fuck, dude. Scream! What's up, pussy? Fuck you, fire! I love you. Thank you. Send that to me if you don't mind. I'm trying to make this hoe like slide, bro. So any other day she'd be eating shit, but today in the snow, she's doing super solid, which is the craziest part of this whole thing. What's up? How's it look? So I think with that, we're gonna go ahead and end our day. Look, no mud on the fucking connector still, because we're bosses. We're gonna end our day, dude.